how to properly do or fix your YouTube banner using the paint tool. Now this is my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have a proper banner, but I'm gonna show you how to do it from scratch. So I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna remove my banner. Now I have this image that I was using. This is the banner for, like, I want to use this as the banner for my channel. So let's say I want to upload it. So I'm gonna go here, upload, and then once you select it, I'm gonna click open. Now this is what happens when I try to upload the image. If I click done, publish it, and then go to the channel, you'll see it's not properly fitting. So to fix that, you can do this for any image that you want to put for your YouTube channel banner. First, go to the paint tool, just the normal paint tool that you have on your Windows PC, and then import the image. Just gonna import it. Now this is what I get. I'm just gonna zoom out here. So what you want to do is you're gonna do like a trial and error. First you want to add 1000 pixels from this side, 1000 pixels from this side, and then you can add 500 pixels from the top, and then 500 pixels from the bottom, so that we're extending the border. So here you can see how many pixels you're adding. So right now it's at 1920, so we're gonna make it at 2920. So just keep extending it. So that's about like 1000 pixels. Then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Just make sure you zoom out a little, and then make it 39. So we're gonna add another 1000, so it's gonna be 3920. So we're gonna add here all the way 3920. Yep, that's very close. So now we're gonna add 500 pixels from the top and 500 pixels from the bottom. So from the top, so it's gonna be 700 plus 500, so that's 1200. So we keep increasing till we get 1200, and then we do the same thing at the bottom. So it's gonna be 1200 plus 500, that's gonna be 1700. So we're gonna add here, keep increasing till it's 1700. Yep, that's very close. And then you're gonna test out if this will work. So what you want to do is click on save, and then save as PNG, and then I'm gonna rename it and then save it in the desktop, fix, and then save. Now don't close this, just go back, and we're gonna test out the new banner that we made. You can see the difference. This one has bigger border. So let's upload it. Then I'm gonna click change. Then I'm gonna upload the new banner with the bigger border. Open. Then you can see it's still not fitting. Like, this is for all devices. You want to make sure that it fits for all devices. And you can see, like, when you hover over all devices, it should be able to fit the entire logo. So if you click done, and then make sure you publish, then go to the channel, you can see it's still not fitting the entire banner. So you want to go back to the paint tool. This time I'm gonna add another 1000 pixels from the left and 1000 pixels from the right, and here I'm gonna add 600 pixels, and here also 600 pixels from the bottom. Okay, and now we're gonna save as, just like before, PNG, and then I'm gonna give it a different name. I'll just say Okay, fix 2, then save it. Now we're going to test out this one. So now we have an even bigger border. So we're going to click change, then go to the latest. So now you can see this. When you're viewing on TV, this is how it's going to look. When you're viewing on desktop, this is how it's going to look. And then on all other devices, this is how it should look. So it's looking good. So we're going to download it and then publish. Then if we go to the channel, you can update. You'll see how it's looking much better and it fits the entire screen. And again, the adjustments that I have made will depend on your specific logo. So it depends on how big your logo is or how long or wide your logo is. So you're gonna have to be flexible with this. So just make sure when you're making the changes to make it centered, make sure your logo is centered so that in the end you're gonna have your banner is gonna be centered perfectly on your channel. So that's how to do your YouTube banner using the paint tool. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.